Welcome, ladies and gents. We're in IKEBUKURO now. We're gonna head to try and go to the ABC Mart. So I'm gonna see if I can figure out which one that is. That's a big kind of like challenge right now, is we're trying to figure out. There's like at least four ABC Marts in IKEBUKURO, and I think I have the right one. The receipt doesn't really have any information about like the address, but we'll see. So let me pick up my umbrella. I'm gonna pick up my grab the shoes, don't forget those. I put the souvenir that I bought in the bag, so you don't have to carry that around.
Your attention please. The train bound for Shinjuku and Shibuya will soon arrive on track number 6.
Oops.
For your safety, please stand behind the yellow line.
Okay, so right now, let's see if I have the ABC Mart in my history. It should be in there. Yes, okay. It is 0.2 miles, which is walking wise, what? 8 minutes. Good. This way. Let's go this way. Sometimes they use that bright yellow sign color. There's really great color coordination in the Tokyo subway, but the one confusing thing is that sometimes that particular yellow is used for one of the train lines, and sometimes it's used for exit signs. Thank you to Alex Suri for the follow. Let's go through here. Oh, Mr. Minute. I haven't seen him in a while. It's a watch repair shop. I saw Mr. Minute. Last time I saw that was probably 2019, 2 trips ago. Ikemen Kitchen. It's a pun of a name because let's actually look at their food real quick. It all looks really good, but I just can't eat. Ikemen means like a handsome man. And so we're in IKEBUKURO. And so it's called Ike for IKEBUKURO and men, which is noodles. Whoa. Love that staircase. Oh wait, did that just turn into a video? Hold on. Yeah, it's making it a video. I want to do a long exposure, but I can't. I don't know if you can do that on iPhone. This shirt is like, I like this shirt a lot, but the collar, I guess because I've worn it on so many streams, and I clip the mic to the, you know, center front part of the collar. And so that part of the collar is like really weak. And it kind of like sags down a little bit, so it's, the shirt has lost its shape, I guess, unfortunately. Okay, so this is going towards Sunshine City, which is where I was yesterday. So let's just go that way. Oh, Namja Town. I wonder if it's crowded. 11:03 to 12:11. That's open. It's a cat cafe. Uh-oh, it's starting to rain. Alright, let's get out of the rain here and check where we're trying to go. We're not that far. It says I'm 2 minutes away. So we want to go left and turn left at that street. And then I would like to go to Namja Town if I can. I especially am not sure if they're going to let you take a video in there. Usually photos are fine, but sometimes they're uncomfortable with video cameras at like cat cafes or places like that. At the reptile show that I was at the other day, the last time I was in IKEBUKURO, that was the stream we were going towards the reptile show. And they did not want you to take photos really, except for certain particular places, because it upsets the animals. Mostly because I think they assume that people are going to forget to turn off their flash, which is very true that a lot of people do forget to do. Damn, the iPhone camera keeps like auto-correcting the iris and I don't want it to. Let me take my picture, iPhone camera. I bet there's a setting you can set. But then again, it's one of those things where in a pinch, I do like the auto iris. I just wish it wasn't so aggressive. Like if I set a custom iris, like don't try to auto iris it right afterwards, because obviously I'm trying to set my own iris. Okay, it should be this way. ABC Mart. Maybe? No, I took a wrong turn. It's not really raining hard enough for me to put on or use my umbrella yet, but it probably will be by the time I get out at ABC Mart. So it's a good thing I brought an umbrella. It wasn't forecasted to rain until like late tonight. I'm glad I brought it at all. I want to try going to that place, Lotteria, which around the end of our last trip in Tokyo last month, I discovered that it was not in fact a lottery, because lottery stands are really popular in Tokyo, Takarakuji. But this is a fast food restaurant, like a hamburger place. And I'm interested. People talk about it like very ubiquitously, like it's, you know, McDonald's or Burger King or something. So I'm interested to see what this like Japanese brand is. Like Moss Burger. Okay, this is ABC Mart. I think this is the one. This looks familiar. Okay, so since I'm pretty sure this is it, let's close out the show so I can return my stuff, and then we'll start another one afterwards. Good stuff, ladies and gents. Hopefully it all goes well. I'm sort of scared to get another pair of these shoes though, because like the heels, I have like a bad memory of the heel cutting into my foot's heel. Alright, so let's call it a show, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. Wish me luck.